So everybody needs a clean sheet of paper. I have an old sheet of paper here that I'm going to use that has some snowmen on it. And so for this activity, this paper folding activity, we're going to start by noticing that it doesn't have any folds in it. And so there's one section of paper. Next, take your paper and fold it in half. Then open it back up. Now type into the chat box, how many sections are there now when there is one fold? Or you can unmute yourself and just say it. Thanks, Jaguar. There's 2 sections. All right, you want to keep track of that. Now we're going to take the paper. We're going to fold it in half again and fold it in half a second time. And then open it up. Now, how many sections are there? Everybody type into the chat box how many sections you see.